The Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about making Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it. Goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it. Goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it. Goes up really high.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Every day we come to you with a live talking about this technical analysis, breaking down this crypto news for you every day. You hit the like and subscribe, so come join us. Hit that bell, all notification right up here. 1.48K subscribers. I can't wait to do more with this channel, but we need more subscribers, so come check us out. All right, lots to talk about this morning. Getting right into the charts before we get a little too into some news. Obviously, I did a video yesterday, quick one. We were talking about this falling wedge. It was a textbook falling wedge. It's exactly what I used in my video. If you see here, we broke through the exact top, that 27.3, 27.2, I think I said. We must break through, and then we will hit resistance around the 28.8. I will be taking profits around this level here. Coming in, as you can see, dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out. Excuse me, one second. All right, might be coming down with something, excuse me. So head and shoulders pattern coming in here. As you can see, I have a head and shoulders pattern. All this was revealed to you yesterday before this happened. How can you do that? Come over, hit the bell, hit the all notification. It's that simple. There was a video yesterday. You could have just long watched. Position on. And if you can see right here on this pattern, how do we start this over? I want to start the video over because I don't, here it is. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? You hit that like, you hit the subscribe. Bitcoin currently right now, I have a bullish divergence. I'm looking at a falling wedge, pretty textbook right now. As you can see coming down, we have that 244 support line that I'm holding. I do expect after 27,800, we can break that 28,000 level right there. As you can see on the falling wedge, once we break out of this pattern, we will be coming back up. Where will the pattern take us to? I do believe that we can get out and sell Bitcoin at 29,800. So that would be the level I would be taking this long position on. And if you can see right here on this, so there you have it, telling you a little bit of information. Currently right now, 1.14 trillion market cap. So 1.14 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is at the 29,000 level. Ethereum trading at the 1830. If you do remember my video from yesterday or 2 days ago, I did say 1785. Ethereum would have to break and bust through above in order to continue going. Liquidations, 125 million liquidations have occurred in the short squeeze here. A very small one, very, very small. How we've gone from 26.5 during the time of the recording of that video all the way to the 29,000 now. Now, if you pay attention, we have almost 90 million in short positions for Bitcoin through all exchanges and just roughly almost 30 million for Ethereum. So we got to pay close attention to what the markets are doing, what the exchanges are doing. Seems like everybody is getting very, very bearish. So jump on the bear train, jump on the bull train, do what you want. I pay attention to the opposite of what's going on. Why? Because now what's going to happen is if there is a huge
And I want to say if there is a huge uptick like we get here, we can get a massive FOMO if we break that 30,600. I do not expect it. But if that does happen, ladies and gentlemen, this is exactly the price. People are going to get wrecked. The short squeeze would be so massive. You're going to find yourself breaking above 38. We're going to be in the 40,000 price for Bitcoin. I do expect that to be the top for 2023 now. So expect that to come into play. I have this set up for a long time. If you can see the whole entire month, whole entire year, of January, we've been doing something similar. I want to show you that in just a second. We can see here head and shoulders, left shoulder, head coming in, and that's what we did. So as you can pay attention to what has been going on in the market, we've been talking about this pattern forever, and that's what I've been seeing here. I've been talking about something similar, and now you can see what we were doing here. This was a head and shoulders pattern, looking for the inverted. I think I did it on the Ethereum. Perfect. So let's see. So you can see here, speaking through about Ethereum, here it is. I told you, head and shoulders pattern. This is a very bearish moment. We were talking about this during the time frame of this early season. And I said, we're looking for the inverted head to come down. Well, as you can see, all this played out perfectly. And buying signal on the bottom here for the Ethereum plus the Bitcoin. We were looking for a nice move. Coming in, right, talking about these prices, talking about the inverted head. It finally developed. Good morning, Gary, to you. Happy to have you in the super chat. Don't have to tell you to hit the like button. So please, and now if you're watching, good time to hit the like button. Not going to hurt you. We're just getting the algorithm out. So other people that may be sleeping or watching some junk video can jump in and say, hey, oh, here's a cryptocurrency video. This guy from Wall Street that used to work on Wall Street, not a fake, is here in the mix. So please be very careful where we are right now. Currently, major resistance could happen. FOMOing in is very possible, but you got to be careful where we're at right now. So pay attention. Could get major resistance coming in, back down, and then get a price to come back through. What would that create? It would create your upward W, very similar to what happens in this market all the time. Get this, and then you go up. As you can see, then what happens is they sell, they made their profits, get back to about the support of 17.99, and then lift back off somewhere for the 1900. So that's what I'm expecting for Ethereum. Not financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. Come down. I mean, we give you exact price for price range. Just about the 18 lower. We're going to come down here, maybe 17.99. Like I said, this could happen. Now the FOMO is real. As you can see, cup and handle coming in. That's where you'll get your cup and handle, right? Come in. Speaking of cup and handle, I want to get back into the chart. So for the entire year of 2023, this is what Bitcoin has been doing, and I've been preaching what? We didn't see this pump, right? And I was saying, well, what's going to change? What is going to change? We've been getting new higher lows each time as we're continuing to pass on in 2023. Well, guess what the fuck we did? Excuse my French. Clone, I'm just annoyed because it's like, we're not growing fast enough. We're not putting enough videos in. We will, but you got to hit the like button. We need to grow. You need to see that there is someone who's showing you stuff that no one else is doing. A bounce, specifically, perfectly off this ascending channel. These two white lines to the upside. So got to pay attention to what's happening here. Huge buying opportunity. What could happen is we could get a rally all the way up to this price of 34,000. Now, no one's going to talk about it until it starts getting there, right? But if you pay attention, that is exactly what this chart is showing. So my prediction, when I changed the chart, when I changed the price of this title to saying 34,000 Bitcoin in the mix, don't be surprised. We will get a little bit of a bounce, a little bit of resistance. What do I expect it to come from? Well, 30,600 is the resistance level you got to pay attention to. No one else is talking about that price either. So just wanted to come live real quick, talk about how I do see the short squeeze coming. I see a massive short squeeze coming. People are going to get wrecked if they don't pay attention. Now, we could go down and continue to go down. That's fine. Now, if that happens, the charts will reflect perfectly in here, coming down and finally breaking through our 25,244 level. So pay attention to the 25,244 level. If we don't hold that somehow and we are getting double tops and we are coming down and testing, then we will fall through because of the short liquidation and how many people are shorting. But I don't think that's going to happen. I do think that with all the macro and all the positive things finally in the mix, right? This is my prediction, not financial advice. BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF renews optimism, sparks wave of new filings, and you have to pay attention to what is happening. At least 2 investment firms have made new filings for Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs known as. So following investment colossus BlackRock's move to lodge a similar application for its own Spot Bitcoin ETF in June, well, now we have Wisdom Tree, and let me tell you about this. I got so effing excited when I read this article. I couldn't wait to come live to share it with you. It's Wisdom Tree, has applied for a spot Bitcoin ETF twice before. Its first application was rejected by the SEC, and now we know that BlackRock is $10 trillion. This is amazing, right? Well, guess what? We have another opportunity here. Its second application was rejected once again in October 22 and then in 21, with the financial regulators citing similar concerns of fraud and market manipulation. Well, at the time of publication, WisdomTree oversees approximately $83 billion in assets. So this could be an exciting moment to bring and open some floodgates for a couple people to see big level people, big blue chipped opportunists, or we want to say guinea pigs, because this is where we're getting at. They want to see what the big guys do. Can they hold on to it? And we have found with a lot of exchanges, a lot of people have traded Bitcoin. A lot of people have dropped Bitcoin and moved it onto safer areas, showing that Bitcoin is actually sustainable and has some stability. So this is a big deal today, guys. I don't know if you're paying attention to that, ladies and gentlemen. So WisdomTree looking to get involved and begin an ETF. So we'll see what happens with that. We already know we discussed a couple more guys getting in for the ETFs. Cardano Ether surge as Bitcoin led rally sees short traders lose $125 million. So some people may tell you that there isn't a short squeeze happening, but I'll tell you, as the surge of a 7% move, there is something happening, and you pay attention, because right now, Bitcoin, Cardano, Solana, and Ethereum are going to be my four top monsters to watch. I told you Chainlink was an excellent buy at 513. Go watch the video. I've told you that before. Well, it looks like we did something awesome, finding some daily support. So if you want to know what do we think of and is a good time to buy an altcoin, well, it's something when you see a many day track confirmation of support after many days of falling. So you got to pay attention to that. That's a very big deal. And as you can see, what happened, many days of falling, right? We got quick 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we rallied up all the way to about 880. So pay attention to that, coming from $6, now coming from $5. Do we get the same move from here to here? If we were to do something similar to that, it'd be a dead cat bounce. But I want you to see, and this is Chainlink that we're looking at, just trying to help you understand the market a little bit. Doesn't mean we're reversing. But you could see prices similar to this, and that could surprise you. But what would happen is it would bring you up. There it is. It would bring about $7.68. Now, to be a little more precise, that's about where I'm seeing. For example, this is Chainlink. This could continue to be a dead cat bounce. It would not be anything relatively exciting about until we broke through that price, but then we would see something similar to that. And these are the upward W's until you could break the resistance that you have trouble breaking at 828. So you got to watch this. It's really important. I get excited for technical analysis. I love it. 835, 834 to be approximately more accurate here. You could see there are lips. There are big, heavy resistance times that we are floating through in the history here, showing that this is a problem. See, we've got some ticks to the upside, but we never could break through 834 or 835 and finish. So that's something I'm paying attention to for Chainlink. Just a little quick tidbit, just a little quick showing you how an altcoin may work, coming down, giving you a cup and handle like formation, a little lower, of course, but then your upward W formation pattern. And why would I talk about Chainlink? Well, Chainlink right now is showing me a buy signal like never before. So it was kind of one of my altcoins I wanted to talk about and say, hey, this is my special coin that I'm particularly going to stack my bags on immediately. So Chainlink was the surprise. I'm going to change the title, obviously, with that as well. So 34,000 Bitcoin. Chainlink is the altcoin, is the secret coin for the end of this to be the one that I think is the coin to stack your bags on. So my name is Wall Street Pete, Sigdo in crypto, every day coming to you with a live, talking about this crypto atmosphere, talking about the news, everything that I've learned during the Wall Street days. I hope you have a great day. I hope this was helpful to you. I'm excited. You're invited. Let's go. Hit that bell notification. Get involved. Become a wolf. Every day, every night, anytime, we'll come lives to you. So I hope you are ready for this. I hope you are getting ready. Like, seriously, 2023 is the time to stack your bags. I'm not a financial advisor, just a gentleman who likes to wear the visor. But I'm trying to get you prepped. Anybody who is excited for the crypto space, guess what? We've been through hell. And I think a lot of people that have been in the crypto space for 3 to 4 years minimum understand that we've been through hell. The Bitcoin halving is here. 2023 is one of the best opportunities to accumulate Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Some shit coins, some other coins I can't really talk for, but if you are in some of the important crypto assets that have the utility behind it, you are going to enjoy this next bull run. I can't wait to come live again and talk to more about the next crypto asset that you may want to talk about. Let me know in the comments section. Have a great day, everyone. Till the next episode.